Chapter 3 The Chase. Idun took her basket of apples and followed Loki. But as soon as Idun left the city, the storm giant snatched her. He grabbed the goddess in his eagle claws. In moments, they were gone. The next morning, the gods waited for Idun to bring their apples. She did not come. The gods searched for Idun. They looked and looked. Days went by. The gods began to grow old. Their skin wrinkled, and their shining hair turned dull and gray. Then the gods found out that Loki had tricked Idun. They were angry. "How could you do that?" they said. "I'm sorry. I will get her back," Loki said. He turned into a falcon and flew to the storm giant's home. Loki found Idun at the giant's house. He turned the goddess and her apples into nuts. Then he put them in Idun's basket. He held the basket and flew off as fast as he could. But the storm giant saw Loki and flew after him. The gods saw this, rushed to the city walls, and made piles of wood. As soon as Loki flew over the walls, the gods lit the wood on fire. Huge flames leaped up, and the eagle flew into the fire. Loki, Idun, and the apples were safe. Idun fed the gods, and they grew young again. Loki had fixed his mistake.